How to track someone's location on Facebook. So hi guys, the first thing that we're going to do is to simply open our Facebook app in our mobile device, and then in the upper right hand corner you can see a search icon right there. Simply click on that one and input a name. For example, let's search for John and hit on enter afterwards. Now when you click on enter, go to the people section here in the tab, and beside the search bar, there is a filter icon. Click on that one and choose the city and find for a city. So let's say, for instance, Las Vegas, Nevada. Alright, and all the John from Las Vegas, Nevada would appear in this search. So that's about it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.